Hello everyone, in this video we will review Bolt AI. Bolt AI is promoted as a smart coding assistant designed to help developers write, debug, and understand code more efficiently using artificial intelligence. It works like a chat-based tool where you can ask questions, describe what kind of code you need, or get help fixing bugs. The main goal of Bolt AI is to save time and boost productivity, especially for beginners or solo developers. You can ask it to generate functions, explaining complex code, or even create full scripts for common tasks. It supports popular languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and more. What makes Bolt AI appealing is its simple and user-friendly interface. You don't need to install anything, it's cloud-based, so you can access it from your browser. Many users find it useful for learning how to code, solving programming challenges, and speeding up their workflow. However, like an assistant, it's not always perfect. Sometimes the suggestions need tweaking, and it may not handle very advanced or niche problems correctly. It's best used as a support tool rather than a complete solution. Overall, Bolt AI is a handy and legit coding assistant that's specifically useful for beginners or those who want to help with common coding tasks. It's worth trying if you're looking for a fast and easy way to improve your coding process. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.